Hello everyone, welcome to COTT Electronics. Today we will discuss how the COTT HIMS system is built. One of the numerous advantages of COTT HIMS is that it requires only one device to set up an entire system. There is no need to purchase additional servers, receivers, or any other equipment. Antennas are connected straight to the HIMS server. Then the signal received is transmitted into an IP signal, which is transmitted through internal web in the form of multicast UDP and unicast HLS-HTTP protocols. The COTT TVs and STBs are all plug-and-play, meaning it only needs to be connected to the same local networks as the main server. COTT Hotelier isn't bound to COTT products, as it can be installed on other Android TVs and STBs. HIMS IPTV System is composed of two parts: application for guests and an administrative interface for staff. COTT Hospitality TVs come with pre-installed guest applications, which are ready for use immediately. The server itself contains middleware and the TV head-end systems. In the following videos, we'll discuss how to operate the HIMS system as an administrator, so stay tuned.